Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install ChatGPT 4 on PC. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for ChatGPT. Click on that and you need to log in into your account on ChatGPT. Once you log in, you simply need to click on this arrow and here you can see GPT-4. Click on that. So you simply need to upgrade to Plus on ChatGPT. So you have the ChatGPT 4 on your PC, and if you want you can go on to the Chrome Web Store and download the extension of ChatGPT as well. But on there you also need to have this Plus membership so you can enjoy ChatGPT 4 on your PC. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.